All right. Good evening, everybody, and welcome back to another update video. It's been a minute. I think the last time I did an update was 2 weeks ago on a Friday or maybe on a Saturday when I bought. I bought today the dip. I've been buying the dip since December 2024, and I'm still here. And I wanted to give you guys an update on my portfolio. My portfolio is at 13,000 39 and 47 cents. I am down 7% for today and down 0.14% in the after hours. So, what's going on? The tariffs and, the current president, his thoughts on the Fed chair Powell. The market is reacting and it's reacting negatively. And I'm looking at this with a glass half full perspective. And these are buying opportunities. I am not scared. This does not scare me. You know what scares me? It would be my money sitting in a bank account doing nothing. That would scare me. So I am not deterred by the redness that is going on because I've seen the market rally after COVID. I've seen the market rally in 2022, 2023 when they were with the interest rates. The market has survived so much things, and I know that eventually it will survive this. I'm a long-term investor, so I am not scared of redness. Even if it lasted a couple more months, a couple more weeks, I'm not afraid. Even if it lasts to the end of the year, I'm not afraid. I'm just going to keep buying the dip because I know eventually this too shall pass. So what do I have in my portfolio? So still have MU. I have these are like short leaps. This expired way in January. And I have it for $65 and it's at $66. So I definitely bought it within the money. And let's see how this stock performs. I know we are nearing we're actually in earnings. I know Tesla tomorrow has their earnings, and on Thursday Google has their earnings, and then the week after will be probably, I believe, Microsoft and Apple, and then the week after will be AMD. I remember the video in January, or I believe it was February, when it may have been January, when AMD posted their earnings and the stock dropped. So let's see what happens this time around. So I also have NVDA. NVIDIA currently is at $96. This plays down 26%. And this also expires next year in January. So I do still have time on this. And I have 3 contracts of this. And I know this will do well. This is, of course, not financial advice, but, NVIDIA is one of those stocks where, it's just a good investment long term, bearing no bad news. I know, tariffs and all this other stuff, but we need NVIDIA chips, and we need its products for this AI development. So I'm still bullish on NVIDIA, and I may even buy the dip on this and average down more on this. So we'll see if it continues to go down to a point where it is more attractive, but I'm okay where it is now. And then I am at 70 shares of AMD. So the last time I posted this, I was at 65 and now I'm at 70. So I have 30 more shares to get to 100. And this is good because we're in April, and I want to get there sometime in the summer, late summer, fall, and then I can go look at something else to buy. So We shall see what this does. My average cost is 104. This takes about 53% of my portfolio. And like I mentioned before, I have about 70 shares. So also, when this is all said and done, if we were to be at 104 right now, I would have $7,000 in this stock. So $7,000 is, it's not a lot of money, but it's a decent amount of money in one stock. And then I'm excited to see the growth in this. So other than that, of course, I've been options trading. I'm going to soon give updates on that. I just got to find a way to kind of display it and show the progress with that. So the S&P, which is the total stock ETF, it is down $24 past week, $58 past month, $86 past 3 months, and year to date it's down to $75. This is just such a good time to buy. And then a year from this point, it's only up $16 from a year from this point. And if we go 5 years out, it's only up 231. I remember when this was up 300. So you would be getting a nice discount if you were jumping into the market now. So because the all-time high, just here, we don't have to go through that point. The all-time high is 613. So you're getting $100 off the S&P 500, which is a good time to leverage into or enter into an ETF, which is always going to go up because it's the 500 best companies in that ETF. So I have to eventually pick another stock, because we are entering to the 100 shares of AMD. And comment below. Let me know what stock should I pick. I'm slowly but surely reaching that 100 point, and I do want to, pick something else. I'm thinking Amazon, as it's safe. I don't want high volatile stocks. I want blue chips. I want companies who've been here for a long time. I really don't invest in crazy or emerging stuff. I like blue chips. I like companies that I use and companies that that the economy needs. So I'm thinking maybe Amazon, and then this would give me I guess some type of footing in the commerce space, because I can do either Costco, but Costco's at $1,000 or near $1,000. I can do Walmart, but I think Amazon may be the best option out of those. So I hope you're buying the dip. Of course, and you want to buy quality companies. You never want to buy something that's penny stocks or something that's just super highly speculative. Just really solid companies with good financials, and just companies with good leaders, and companies that's been around and survived just hard times. So that's just my update for you guys. I wanted to jump on, let you guys know I'm still here. And yes, we're at 70 shares. Even though it's down, that's okay. That's okay. Eventually, it will go back up. And I'm glad I was able to build like a strong base. So even if it goes up, I'll still be buying because I have so much shares at a cheap price. So this is the update. And you guys take care. All right. Bye.